think is it running?
Yeah.
So we got, and I don't want to necessarily peel them too far because I'd like to see, you know, some of that char on there that we did it ourselves, you know, makes it look authentic, right? And this is what we're working with. This is $6 worth of peppers.
That's it?
Yeah. They say hot on the bag, so we'll see how hot they are. And I don't want to rinse them with water because that would be...
Like to keep a little char.
That would be a rule, a broken rule, because you never want to do that. Wash off the goods.
That's what Kara has to.
I can use a knife if I need to get a little more of that off, but the towel does the best. Once we get them mostly clean, we'll go back and detail clean them. What we're getting now is some B-roll, I guess, so we just take this and save the clips and edit it out, and then we'll have a shot of this while we're showing the whole construction of everything, right? Get some of the sausage.
Yes.
B-roll.
Dude.
Put music on.
Show a little bit of the chorizo, and like when we do a special pizza like this, you make a post of each of the components.
Yeah.
Prep. Show all the work that we put into what we're running. Show it to the servers. It's educational. And you talk as you do it, kind of more of like a pre-shift presentation.
Yeah, it's a good idea.
And they're like, oh, because, I mean, most people are visual learners.
Right. We just put it on that tablet. We can put it, once we make the video, we just put it on that tablet and people can watch, or maybe even shoot it to that TV up there. We can shoot it from our phone to the TV. And that would be pre-shift.
Dude, and like
we just have
manager meetings.
Yeah, we just make the video, you know, under 3 minutes, because you know you can't lose the people.
You lose them, right? Lose focus. Yeah, I mean, like a solid 10, 20 seconds of just showing this is enough for somebody to get it.
Yeah. And then we're doing it ourselves. People want to see that we put work into it.
Yeah.
And it's done.
We didn't order a can of these.
For real, right.
That's like the most important part.
And there are cans.
Because you can. Yeah, you can just do that.
But that's what the other guys do.
Right, that's the easy way out. And it's probably cheaper to do it yourself too.
Oh yeah.
And you control more of the flavor.
When you do it in season, it's going to be cheaper and it's going to taste better, number one. When you prepare it yourself, it's going to be better than what they do massive amounts in a can. It does cost labor, but that's why you make your labor efficient.
And they put shit in the can that you don't want in, like preservatives and yeah. This is a
unnecessary
fresher flavor. Proving the freshness.
I may have my editing software on that laptop, which would be cool, huh?
I mean, with ASMR, dude, people would start following our Instagram that don't even live in Louisiana just because they like the cooking content. We could double our following, and then we're a destination. Oh, if I ever visit Baton Rouge, I gotta go try that spot, you know.
Yeah.